€750,000 forked out from the public purse. Procurement experts have described this spend as wildly excessive. I would describe it as downright insulting to people. Now, I've raised issues of waste with you time and again, but Fianna Fáil and Fine Gael haven't learnt a single thing from the litany of waste that is now the hallmark of your government. You are serial wasters of public money. Do you believe that €750,000 for steps and a ramp represents value for the people's money? And do you now accept that a waste audit across government departments, as called for by Sinn Féin, is now urgently required to get to grips with this constant waste again?
The Minister of Jack Chambers has already introduced procedures and more robust and tighter procedures in terms of public spending. On the other hand, you're saying we're very mean and so on like that. We're being criticised for overspending, and notwithstanding your desire that we spend billions more. I mean, you want us to spend billions more than we allocated in the budget. But Ireland's economy is one of the fastest growing economies globally. The stewardship of this economy has been good by this government and by the last government, despite COVID, despite Brexit, despite the Russian invasion of Ukraine and the energy crisis that followed, despite the tariffs emanating from the United States. This has been a competent government in relation to the economic management of this country. And the policies we have pursued are far superior to anything you've produced on the economic front over the last number of years. No question about that. We have no truck with any waste in public expenditure, and we will deal with it at every layer of government. But you have councillors on that council. Well, your councillors, but every other councillor tracking it and so on like that. And so let's not. You should not be. And it's not good enough that there would be that level of expenditure. But we will deal with it.